Assalamu alaikum, dear students. This is our second unit, water pollution. Our today's topic is to study what is water pollution, its types and sources. As you are already aware of the fact that water is a necessary component for the sustenance of life, water makes approximately 70% of the total mass of Earth. So you can see here in this picture, this green portion is land and this blue portion is all water. Out of this total water that's present on the earth's surface, only 3% is fresh. 3% is fresh water, and remaining 97% is present in the oceans. That means it is unfit for use. So we have a total population of nearly 7.6 billion. So for all 7.6 billion people, we have just 3% of water available for us. But what has happened is this pollution is making the water unfit to drink and for other daily uses, daily needs. On the other hand, we already know that 80% of our body mass comprises of water. So without water, there can be no physiological processes in the body. So that means we need to drink water for survival. Since this water directly enters the body, it decides our quality of health. Medical experts are of the opinion that most of the health issues can be solved if we have fresh and pure drinking water. So the drinking water that we consume daily, it should be clean, it should be free from pollutants, it should be free from contaminants. Now coming to water pollution. What is water pollution? Water pollution is any contamination of water with chemicals or other foreign substances that are detrimental, or you can say harmful, to human, plant or animal health. When water gets polluted, it adversely affects all life forms that directly or indirectly depend on this source. Or simply you can say any undesirable change in physical, chemical or biological characteristics of water, making it detrimental for plants, humans and animal life. The substances that pollute water are called as water pollutants. Here you can see this is the picture of Yellow River of China, and you can see an industry discharging its wastewater directly into the river without any treatment. So you can see here the physical change, or you can see physical change in water, and in this pic you can see here biological change, algal growth. You can see when there is when algal growth is more, so oxygen would be less, the fish and other aquatic animals will die, you can see here. So this is what is water pollution. This water pollution occurs when pollutants are discharged directly or indirectly into the water without any proper treatment. So जब हम कोई भी pollutant डालते हैं पानी में without any proper treatment, the water gets polluted. We have two types of water pollution: groundwater pollution and surface water pollution. Groundwater is what? It's the water that's collected under the earth's surface. The sources of groundwater are rain, snow, hail, etc. So this groundwater gets polluted when contaminants like pesticides, fertilizers, waste from the landfills, and septic systems, when they make their way into the ground, or you can say an aquifer, it renders the groundwater unsafe for human use, or you can say all these contaminants pollute our groundwater. सो पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स क्या है, यू ऑलरेडी नो. पेस्टिसाइड्स हम यूज़ करते हैं अपने एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड्स में, फर्टिलाइजर्स हम यूज़ करते हैं अपने क्रॉप लैंड्स या एग्रीकल्चरल फील्ड्स में, तो वो पानी के साथ परकुलेट हो जाते हैं सॉइल के अंदर भी, और जो नियर बाय वाटर बॉडी है उसमें भी मिक्स हो जाते हैं. एंड जो लैंडफिल्स है, लैंडफिल्स क्या है, लैंडफिल्स आर दी सॉलिड वेस्ट डंपिंग साइट्स, जहाँ पे सॉलिड वेस्ट डंप किया जाता है, तो उसके अंदर भी जो हार्मफुल केमिकल्स होते हैं वो भी पानी के साथ मिक्स होके सॉइल के अंदर या ग्राउंड वाटर में मिक्स हो जाते हैं. एंड सेप्टिक टैंक्स क्या है, जिनको हम अपनी कॉमन टर्मिनोलॉजी में ट्रेंच भी बोलते हैं, उनमें भी जो वेस्ट वाटर है वो वेस्ट वाटर भी पानी के अंदर सीप होता है और अपने हमारे ग्राउंड वाटर के साथ मिक्स हो जाता है. एंड इट ऑल अफेक्ट्स आवर ग्राउंड वाटर एंड मेक्स इट polluted. Surface water pollution क्या है? It's the pollution of aquatic systems that are present above the ground on the surface, you can say, like streams, lakes, rivers, oceans, etc. So what are the sources of water pollution? ये होता कैसे है? First source is sewage. Sewage क्या है? Sewage is waste water. Waste water क्या है? Water that's used, जो पानी हम यूज करते हैं वो वेस्ट वाटर है. और जो वेस्ट वाटर हमारे घर से निकलता है, ये हमारे भी कॉल इट लाइक स्वेज. इट कम्स फ्रॉम द रेसिडेंशियल एरियाज, लाइक फ्रॉम टॉयलेट्स, सिंक्स, बेदिंग, लॉन्ड्री एटसेट्रा. यू कैन सी हियर. सो स्वेज ड्रेन्स जो होती है, they directly find their way, they are directly discharged into the water bodies and cause water pollution. The problem of sewage is severe in cities. You can see Central Pollution Control Board CPCB estimates that almost 62 billion liters of urban sewage flows into rivers per day. Almost 80% of Indian water bodies fall among polluted category. Second source of water pollution is industrial effluents. So industrial waste contain toxic chemicals, acids, alkalis, metallic salts, phenols, cyanides, ammonia, radioactive substance, etc. They all are the sources of water pollution. Like you can see here, the industries discharging their waste water directly into the water body. Another source of water pollution is synthetic detergents like we use detergents for washing, cleaning purpose. They directly are discharged into the water bodies and pollute our water. Another source of water pollution is agrochemicals. These are the chemicals that we use in our agricultural fields, like we have fertilizers. Fertilizers contain nitrates and phosphates, and we use pesticides like insecticides to kill insects, fungicides, the chemicals which we use to kill fungi and herbs, or we call them weedicides. So all these chemicals, they get washed away with the rain and find their way into a nearby water body, hence by polluting the water. Oil spills, another source of water pollution. So now you must be wondering what an oil spill is. Oil spill is basically the release of liquid petroleum hydrocarbon, especially in the marine ecosystem like oceans. ये oil spill क्या है? You already know जो oil है, petroleum है, it's extracted from the oceans by these oil drills. ये oil drill है. So while extracting oil, what happens sometimes accidentally or due to a human error, या आप accidentally बोल सकते हो, this oil it gets spilled over the surface of water, forming a layer on the surface. You can see here, this is how an oil spill looks like. So what it does is it forms a layer on the water surface, and it contains hydrocarbons, and this is petrol. It is harmful for these marine organisms that live there, fishes, marine birds, etc., and planktons that are present on the surface of the water, जो अपनी photosynthesis करते हैं due to sunlight. Hence ये जो oil spill है, it forms a layer, it stops the sunlight penetrating, it stops the sunlight. So उससे क्या होता है, जो planktons है, they cannot perform photosynthesis, और उसकी वजह से जो बाकी animals है, they will die. So marine life gets affected due to these oil spills. And sometimes what happens, these oil spills, they catch fire, maybe accidentally, they add to air pollution also. And these fires, it can destroy the marine life as well. So this is one of the sources of water pollution. Then we have waste heat. Waste heat comes from industrial discharge, and it increases the temperature of water bodies and affects distribution and survival of sensitive species. Each day, almost 500 million liters of wastewater from industrial sources are dumped directly into River Ganga. Dumping of waste. This is the garbage patch that you can see. This is the picture of Pacific Ocean, garbage patch of Pacific Ocean. Some scientists say that it is the size of this garbage patch is like if you combine France, Germany, Spain together, its size is, you know, uh, much bigger than France, Germany, and Spain combined. This also causes water pollution. Now, the sources that we already studied here, they are categorized as point sources and non point sources. जो भी हमने अभी पढ़े हैं ये sources of water pollution, they can either be point sources or non point sources. अब point source हम किसको बोलते हैं? Point source is the pollution if it's coming from a single point. Like you can see here, if the pollutants or pollution is coming from a single point, such as factory और sewage treatment plant, अगर ये एक point से आता है ये pollutant, then we call it as a point source. And if this pollutant, if it is discharged over a large area, like the agricultural runoff, or from or if it's municipal waste coming from a large area, or mining waste, this is called as non-point source. So this is point source of pollution, and this is non-point source of pollution. Thank you. This is all for today. In next lecture, we would be covering what are the impacts of water pollution, and what is eutrophication and biomagnification. Thank you.